If you guys want to see an unboxing of my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, just keep on watching this video. So guys, where do I start? This is so unbelievably exciting for me. I'm coming from using an iPhone 7 Plus. It's crazy. I've had this exact same phone for the last 4 years, almost 4 years, and I'm tired of it. It's been good to me, but it's gotta go. So many things are wrong with this phone now. It's honestly insane, and it's been having problems for more than a year. So here we are. You guys, you don't even understand. I haven't been able to sleep this past week waiting for it to be Friday so I can get my hands on my new phone. I pre-ordered last week and I've been over the moon doing cartwheels, excited ever since then. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Just so you know, I am not a tech YouTuber. I normally do lifestyle, beauty, and fashion videos here on my channel. That's what I'm passionate about. The iPhone 12 Pro Max does fall under lifestyle, so here we are. I wanted to be one of the first people to hopefully get this iPhone 12 Pro Max video uploaded for you guys today, November 13th, the release date of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. One of the first few people who aren't a tech guru, obviously. So here goes. We're gonna open it and I'm gonna go over some of the specs with you guys, the ones that got me excited to upgrade from the 7 Plus to the 12 Pro Max. So here goes, guys. We are opening it now. To be honest with you, this is one of the most exciting things that has happened to me in a very long time. So I don't even know how to act right now. The box is so incredibly thin. I love that for planet Earth. Because as most of us know, this doesn't come with a charger, at least a little box piece. You know what I mean? And it doesn't come with headphones anymore. So I'm gonna have to buy AirPod Pros, because apparently the regular ones just don't cut it anymore, I guess. I don't know. We're doing it, guys. This is happening. This is insane. This is actually insane in the membrane. What? You're gonna be rocking with me for at least the next year to 2. Here it is, y'all. I'm gonna show it to you in several different lighting situations. I picked up the gold shade, as you can see, or maybe you can't because hopefully my lighting isn't washing this out. It is so pristine and gorgeous. I honestly can't handle this right now. This is sick. This is so sick. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pull the trigger and take it out of the box. How do I do that? The box is so tiny, it's hard to like fit your fingers between it and pull it out. That's what she said. I guess I'm just gonna lift it up. Like, how else, I mean, what else do you expect me to do? Here we go. And it smells. This phone has an odor, and I don't exactly know what the odor is. So guys, I'm just gonna lift this piece of paper up and see what happens. I think the phone will turn on. And no, it didn't turn on. It is so pretty. I can't believe I have a new phone. Look at that gold. Look how stunning. Is this real life? Somebody come pinch me. Reach your arm through your laptop or phone screen and pinch me. Ah, this is crazy. Here's a comparison between the 7 Plus and the 12 Pro Max. As you all know, the 12 Pro Max is the largest iPhone that's ever been made. You can see that the 7 Plus is only just slightly smaller than the 12 Pro Max. The 12 Pro Max is thicker. Clearly, I'm gonna have to learn the new camera system, so I'm kind of an amateur at using the 3. Coming from just the 1. The Apple logo is a lot higher up near the top of the phone on the 7 Plus, whereas it's almost right in the middle on the 12 Pro Max. 7 Plus does have a button, so I'm going to have to get used to using a buttonless phone. Very exciting. And I believe this should be the power button, so here goes. There we go. All right, so when you guys get it, just hold it down for 5 seconds and it comes right on. So I wanted to talk to you a little bit about why I think you should upgrade and if you should upgrade. So if you're like me and you're coming from using an iPhone 7 Plus, an iPhone 7, an iPhone 8, an iPhone 8 Plus, whatever the case, we all have buttons still, we all have just the one camera system. Our phones are at least 3 to 4 years old, so we are a little out of touch with, I guess, the newer technologies that have come out since then. If your phone is basically on the fritz like mine basically doesn't operate correctly. I have a lot of issues with the speakerphone. I have just overall sound issues for a very long time. I have glitching issues. I basically have every imaginable issue possible with my iPhone 7 Plus, and it's in great physical condition, so I guess that's a lot of internal problems that it's having for whatever reason. And I have big goals of growing my Instagram and growing my YouTube within the next year, and I really need a better phone to do so. I can't keep operating with this front camera that only has 7 megapixels on the 7 Plus, whereas both the 11 and the 12 models all have 12 megapixel front cameras on the phone. That's the one that's facing you, the selfie camera. And now that I'm recording YouTube videos, I need a better camera on my cell phone. Whenever the case is that I'm filming outside, I need better options. I don't have as many options with an older iPhone model, and that's fair enough, but at this point it was just time for an upgrade. And if any of those reasons resonate with you, you might want to think about upgrading as well. The iPhone 12 Pro Max has 4K video capabilities, whereas I have no device, not even the camera that I'm filming on, can do 4K. So that was a really big reason for my upgrade. For somebody who uses their phone so much, I needed something that would charge a lot quicker, and within 30 minutes, the iPhone 12 Pro Max will charge up to 50%. I love big iPhones. I used to have an iPad. I don't anymore. I sold it. I don't really think I need one with my MacBook Air and my iPhone, but I do like the idea of an iPad, having a bigger screen, having a bigger, more tablet-sized device, and getting the 12 Pro Max because of the larger size was a non-issue to me. It was my first instinct. I love the 7 Plus size, and this is just slightly bigger than that, as you can see. The chip in the iPhone 12 Pro Max is significantly faster than what I'm coming from in the 7 Plus. I'm so excited for faster processing when I'm using my phone. If ever I were to drop my phone in water, the iPhone 12 Pro Max can handle up to 6 meters of water, whereas I believe the iPhone 7 Plus can only handle being dropped in about 1 meter of water. I can really tell the difference in the screens on different devices, and my screen on the iPhone 7 Plus just isn't up to par with the stuff that's coming out in the year 2020. It's just the Retina LCD, whereas the Super Retina XDR is actually available in the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just so you guys know, I have the 2020 MacBook Air in gold, and it is the only gold MacBook or Mac computer that's available currently, and it does not match the gold of the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. Just something to consider if you are buying the two to match. Thankfully, I wasn't. I want to make better content and I want to take better selfies, and that just can't be done using such an old device anymore. So I'm so blessed that I had the opportunity to make the upgrade. I'm so excited. And I'm also going to be showing you guys some side-by-side comparison photos. So I think we have a clear winner. A day after this video goes live, I am showing you guys which cases I chose for this new puppy. I'm so excited to show you. They're all so sick, and I can't wait to see which one is your favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, which I know you did, don't lie to me and don't even lie to yourself. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on if you're upgrading, which color you would get if you were upgrading, and if you're keeping your phone, give me the reason why as well. I want to know. I want to read all your comments, and I'm replying to every single one of you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram to see how my selfie game is changing with my new iPhone 12 Pro Max. My handle is @BrieEliza_. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.